Microsoft Teams desktop has some great features that's rolling out in November and December of 2025. Let's run through these real quick. If I point at Carol Wilson, we've always been able to open up a chat in a new window for a while now. There's open a new window for Carol. I can do the same thing with a channel. There is open a new window at the very top. Well, guess what I can do now? Over on the far left, the sidebar or the app bar, as they like to call it, if I right click on chat, I can actually open up chat in a new window right here, put it wherever I want to on another monitor if I wanted to. I can even do the same thing with my OneDrive, right click, open in a new window. Just to prove this, I've got multiple windows open, one for OneDrive, one for chat. Let me go back to the main team screen. I can do the calendar also. I can do Meet also. One item you couldn't do, and I don't think it's major, is you can't do people right now, but I can do calls, and I can also do the activity feed. So you can open these up in new windows and put them on an additional monitor if you want to, or move them around. Another great feature that I love, and this just rolled out, is when I click up here, let me just move this around just a second. So let's say I have Word running in the background or some other app, and I click on here. This just came out to me, and I couldn't figure out what it did for initially, but it says pin window on top, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. Here's my Excel file running. I said to pin the window on top, and that is exactly what it did right here. The keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-T does work. I keep clicking on Control-Shift-T, and you can see that it's working right here. If I turn that off, let me do it one more time now. Go to Excel, it disappeared. Pull Teams back up, Control-Shift-T. Click back in Excel, and Teams stays on top. I couldn't even find anything on the roadmap about this, but that is a great feature that I know I will use right there. One more item I happen to notice is up here in the search. When you click on search, here is images now, and I feel like that this is new. So I'm searching for images and it's showing me recent images. Let's just do from, if I do images from Carol Wilson and Carol Wilson images, I can even go do dates, but there are images sent to me from Carol Wilson. Another great feature there. I appreciate your time. My Microsoft Teams training is available online along with Excel, OneNote, and Copilot. Have a great day.